Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us do a Chettinad style mutton curry. For this, first we'll get ready with the masala. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add 1 cardamom, 1 cinnamon and 3 to 4 cloves. To this add 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. These will get fried quickly, so saute this for a few minutes and add 2 or 3 dry chilies, a small piece of ginger and 4 to 5 garlic. Saute them well. Now let us add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, three to 4 cashew nuts, few curry leaves, and 10 to 15 shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can very well use onions. The onions and the coriander seeds will take time to get fried, so saute them well. Finally, add a cup of chopped coconut. Saute them well till the raw smell goes off and the coconut changes its color slightly. This is perfect. Let it cool, add some water and grind it into a fine paste. Now pour some oil in a pressure cooker. To this add quarter cup of chopped shallots and 4 to 5 garlics, a few curry leaves and 1 cup of tomatoes chopped. Saute this for a few minutes and add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a cup of mint leaves and half a cup of coriander leaves. Saute everything well. Next, let us add all the masalas: 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute till the raw smell goes off and add the mutton. This is 1 kg of mutton. Now let us add the required amount of salt. Let us saute this mutton in this masala for about 5 minutes, and then we are going to add the grinded masala. So frying, sauteing and the grinding part is over. Now add the required amount of water and bring it to a boil. Now close it and pressure cook this for 5 to 6 whistles. Our mutton curry is ready. Now let us chop it with some coriander leaves. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.